Today is the start of our Vietnam series sa Ho Chi Minh City. So here are the travel guides. Once you've arrived in Tan Son Nhat, make sure to download a Grab or Bee for ride-hailing app. Cash is king sa Vietnam. Make sure na madala kayo laging cash. Kahit mag-withdraw lang kayo ng onte sa airport para may pagbayad kayo sa taxi or Grab. Ang 1,066 pesos is equals to 500,000 Vietnamese dong. Dito, milyonaryo ka. Ho Chi Minh City is generally safe for tourists, but it's advisable to keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Make sure to also download a Google Translator app because not all Vietnamese can speak English para madali ang communication nyo with the locals. We stayed at Eden Garden Hotel for only 8,500 pesos. Naka-deluxe triple na with buffet breakfast for 5 days. At malapit lang siya sa nightlife and city center. This is not a promotion guys. Just wanna share to you our accommodation. So, ang mga pupuntahan natin para sa ating Vietnamese series ay Bui Vien Walking Street, Bitexco Tower, Ben Thanh Market, Remnants Museum, bus tour around Ho Chi Minh, river cruise at ang Cu Chi Tunnels.